In today's video, I'm going to cover the running stitch. This is a very simple stitch, but has a big impact depending on how you use it. Running stitch is a very short stitch that weaves in and out of your fabric. This is often used for seaming, gathering, and also mending. The running stitch is very similar to a basting stitch, except for the stitches are very small and often used as a permanent stitch. So with that said, let's get over to the tutorial part of this video, and I hope you enjoy.
The first thing I want to do is draw a seam allowance line at about 5/8 of an inch. Once I have that seam allowance marked, I am going to start from the underside of my fabric, and sometimes it is suggested to either have a knot or you can do a little back stitch to finish off the thread there. So these are maybe a 1/4 inch or a little bit smaller than a 1/4 inch. But you just repeat the same thing over and over as usual per stitching, 3 to 4 stitches before pulling your thread all the way through. Alright, now that I'm done with my stitches, I can unpin everything and show you what it looks like whenever I open it up. So on the right side I have slightly larger stitches, and on the left side I have much smaller stitches finished off with a back stitch. As you can see, the bottom part you can see gapping, and on the top part it is not as bad and should be fine. So that's it for this stitch video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned something new. If you liked what you saw and it was super helpful, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to leave a comment, I would absolutely love to read it.